Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking, I ain't near
Police, stop! Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
What did I do?
On the evening of the 5th of August 2025, Peoria police officers were dispatched to the intersection of Northeast Glen Oak Avenue and Prospect Road following reports of a suspicious person. When officers arrived, they encountered a 41-year-old man armed with a wooden bat. What began as a routine call quickly escalated into a violent confrontation when the man swung the bat at officers, striking one of them.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What am I supposed to do?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking, I ain't near the
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't
out on
urinate.
Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants down,
walking the whole day. I pissed
and I saw your
pissed
penis
in my
out,
pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
I'm not going to take that bat away from you,
But what
but I
do you
need you
need?
to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not
though?
going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What
down.
did I do?
I want you to set
Shot truck. Police, stop! Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
What did I do? What am I doing?
See anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's back to 1, prep 1, 1721. You're behind where?
Fucking wrong with that damn fucking bag.
What, bone sticking out?
Stop moving, bro.
moving around, man. All right, get out. Jesus Christ.
I have a co-medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up? Lift you up like that?
Glen Oak and Prospect.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, just get him sitting on right here.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey,
Stay with me.
snap out of it.
Stay with me.
Flanagan?
I'm trying to have him stand up. He's got like a broken elbow.
10 o'clock.
Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved.
Got a code 1 ambulance on the way.
During the encounter, one officer fired a single shot while another deployed a taser. The man was later taken into custody, and officers attempted life-saving measures, but he was pronounced deceased at the scene. The Peoria County Coroner later determined the cause of death to be a gunshot wound to the abdomen. Want to see what happened next? Click the video on your screen.